Hi, I'm Matt, and this is a video about asbestos siding. So this is what we call asbestos siding. So you really don't know if something has asbestos in it until you test it. You take a sample, a little piece. I take a piece about the size of a nickel, a coin. Just break a piece off, wear a mask if you like. I always wear a mask. Just break a piece off and you put it in a baggie and send it to the lab. They look at it under a light and they can tell if there's asbestos fibers in it. And you can take the appropriate action. See the paint peeling off here? This is actually very good siding. I've owned several houses with asbestos siding. It paints very well. This house is 100 years old and it's been painted in the past, and that's called chalking. This paint's very old. The houses I had, it was the raw factory finish asbestos, and we painted it. My dad was a painting contractor for 30 years, and we painted it the right way. And that house is over there, and the siding still looks great today. That was about 1992, and it's 2023 today, and it still looks good. But anyway, a lot of the siding, these houses had wood siding on them, and you can see the wood siding underneath there. There's the wood lap siding, and then they put asbestos over it. Sometimes we put a product we call brick coat over it, which is fake brick. It's a asphalt material. It's like asphalt shingles, but it looks like brick. It's got brick pattern stamped into it. So, around here in Michigan, they don't make you remove the asbestos siding. You can go right over it, so that's what these people will probably do. They'll probably put some type of siding right over it, probably vinyl. What else? They've put aluminum on the front here. I don't know if there's asbestos siding under there. They could have gone over the wood here, who knows. But that's aluminum. It's been painted. You can see the paint pattern in it, the brush and roller. But this asbestos siding is every bit as good as modern, Hardy board, the Hardy cement board. Hardy makes actually several different kinds of siding. Not all of it is cement board. But this stuff, see, they painted over dirt here. This was a dirt pattern coming down here because there's no downspout above. They didn't wash it good before they painted it, and they painted over that crud there. I don't think it got under the paint. I think that was there originally. So it didn't stick very well. But anyway, to paint asbestos siding, wash it, especially up under the overhang where the weather can't hit it and you get dirt accumulates there. People tell you not to power wash your house. I always power wash the house. Use soap and a power washer. Let it dry out good for several days. In the summer, then you prime it with a good quality latex primer. Emulsa Bond is a product we put in it. It's made by Flood. Emulsa Bond. You put that in the primer, and then you put a finish coat on it. And that's it. Works great. That's it.